Let's get into calculating position sizing. So in order to have proper risk management, it is at the utmost importance to calculate position sizing and have a general basis of how much percentage of risk that you're going to be using towards your total portfolio per trade. At Wealth Group, we recommend 1 to 2% per trade as a new trader. In a lot of market conditions, my risk fluctuates from even 0.5% to 0.25% of my total portfolio. In favorable conditions, if you guys are new, I recommend 1 to 2% per trade. No more max leverage. All right, we're cutting that out. No more using the position slide bar to calculate position sizing. Let's get into the position tool. Okay guys, so we're gonna go into projection, which is right here, and we are gonna save and star the long and short positioning tool. You guys will be using this every single day in your journey. I don't enter a trade without using these. When you go into the settings of your long or short positioning tool, take that on the side there, you're gonna double click, and these are the settings we're gonna use, all right? For today's instance, you guys have $1,000 portfolio. Now this is just an example, but what you're gonna do is you're gonna go into these settings, you're gonna put in your total leverage account portfolio into the account size area, all right? Lot size is always going to be 1. Your risk is always going to be 1 to 2%. Again, sometimes, like I said, sometimes I use 0.5%. If I'm risking 1% of $1,000, that is $10. The nice thing is this long and short positioning tool will calculate all of that for you. So what we're going to do is go into some trades that have played out that I've personally taken. Let's do BTC short that I took earlier this week, and we'll do some examples of how I calculated position sizing and how I executed the trade by using extreme risk management, right? Okay guys, so we're going to be using this trade here. We're going to do $1,000 account. I risked 1% on this trade of my total account. The entry price was at 73.75. My stop loss was 74,028.3. Guys, I took the trade at 73. I went into my settings, made sure that my account size was $1,000, made sure that my lot size is 1, make sure my risk is 1%. I put in everything, and this is exactly what you guys would do as well. You guys would see the notification that I sent out. It'd be like, okay, it's a limit short. I'm gonna go in, set my limits, and make sure that my positioning sizing is correct. So look at the quantity. I would then go over to Bybit, all right, and I would put in that quantity. I'd set my limit, set my stop loss. That's exactly what you would do. That's how you calculate position sizing through that. Now, for instance, let's go take a look at where I took TPs. I took TP1 at 71K pretty much. I took around 50% off, 20% off. So I'm only gaining a small amount because I want to ride out this trade a little bit longer. And I fully closed the trade at 2.6 RR. If you guys followed these risk management theories and you took a full TP at 2.6 RR, you have at the minimum a 2% gain on your account. A lot of the traders too, guys, if you guys are copy trading, they'll tell you how much they're taking off. Tariq is a very good trader for this. He'll tell you if he's taking 25% off, or he's saying that, you know, I'm holding for longer. Yeah, we'll do a couple more. Tariq just pulled out a short as well. Tariq, yeah, he just put a BTC short out. A 1 limit short. These are my favorite. Okay, guys, so I'm going in. His entry is 68,600. His stop loss is 68,961. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go into our settings again. You're always going to double check this. Make sure your account size is at your account size. Lot size is at 1. Your risk is always going to be anywhere between 1 to 2%. Your entry price is correct. Your stop level is correct. So what we'll do is we literally just go in, grab the quantity right there, guys. So we're going to be risking 0.028 Bitcoin. So if we were to get filled again, guys, and we were to take the stop loss, we'd only be losing $10 of our account. In our favor, we're going to be taking profits at our trader's recommendation, whoever you're following. So what you're going to do is you're going to take that 0.028, you're going to go into your exchange, you're going to put that in your quantity. So let's go do that now together. I'm going to open up my Bybit. I went to the BTC pairing. I'm setting the limit at 68,600. I'm going to the quantity tab right there, guys. I'm putting in that 0.028. I'm going to the stop loss now at the bottom there. And I'm going to put in 68,961. And you can see at the bottom there, if you guys are following along, it will tell you how much you would lose on that trade. And guess how much I would lose on that trade? I'd literally lose $10. So get prepared, get ready, use the cheat sheet every single day before you enter a trade. Understand where you're putting your quantity, when you're putting the limit orders, that kind of thing. Understand calculating position sizing with the projection tool. I appreciate everybody coming by. Thank you again. I'm doing this for you guys because I want to see you make money, and I don't want to see you guys go through what I had to go through. All right, bye now.